Walking through Cache La Poudre. No, Cache La Poudre Trail. Shots like this are going to be the reason why I get ate by the bear. It's beautiful purple blossoms. We're in like an arbor of them.
I'll stay here with Grandma. I don't like the stuff touching me. It makes me uncomfortable and there's ticks. I would not be okay with having up things.
Me either. They're off path.
And like there's like ticks and stuff.
And I'm the one with the bear.
And because with like the path, they usually spray it with like bear protection, like stuff like that. And like
they look like they're having a good time though.
Yeah, I guess. I would not.
Ricola!
What does that mean?
It's a cough drop commercial from a long time ago. Yeah, he didn't want to come walk a lot today, and he's literally climbing up a mountain in his Crocs. He's not the only person I know whose sole footwear is all Croc brand. Oh, there's the two lovely maidens of the woods. Hello. Hello. See if we can find... There they are. They are far, far away. Grandma was not up for that hike. That's all she's got for me. No, that's cool. Look at the tree, Natalie. It looks like a football goalpost with an extra part.
I'm telling you right now, this is some animal's drinking hole, so if you see something moving, please tell me.
They are scared of us. Black bear and the bears, it's easier to scare them away. They get scared of loud noises. All you gotta do is go. I wouldn't do that to you. Yeah.
My daughter is totally a beach person, totally not a mountain person, as it turns out. Get her anywhere past the foothills and she starts having anxiety. Didn't know, but now she does. She prefers that 1 foot above sea level, not the 12,000 feet above sea level. Woo! Whoa! Grandma almost fell, but I caught the photo I wanted. Video. You got to stop in my track because I saw a pretty flower.
Your friend said about being on top of that mountain in a snow blizzard on the Harley Davidson, and that was the last time they ever went up it. I can't believe they don't have rails. Why don't they have rails?
It gives you warning to slow down. And plus, Mom, you know they have to be on the edge of the mountain to make rails. And it's kind of dangerous. Warning shots for there, and I'm done.
There's a heat advisory back home, guys.
Wow. Are you tearing up the flora and fauna, Wade? All my little duckies in a row.
My boobies are out.
Well, we didn't even see that. Bye. Natalie cares about Grandma. She's not going to let me get ate by a bear.
Right?
Rock treasures. We're almost at the 3-mile mark this morning. It's feeling good. Got sprinkled on a couple times to cool us down. But for the most part, it's been a nice sunny breezy day in the mountains. And we're having a blast. We'll see you in a bit.